In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT create your entire monthly budget in under 30 seconds. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your computer or phone. In the chat box, you're going to type a simple instruction. Write, create a simple monthly budget using the information I give you. This tells the AI exactly what you want it to do before you start sharing any numbers. It sets the context so ChatGPT knows you're focused on budgeting, not just random calculations. Once you've done that, it's time to paste in your numbers. Don't overcomplicate this part. You only need 4 types of information. Start with your total monthly income after tax. Then list your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, utilities, subscriptions, loan payments, or insurance. After that, list your variable expenses, such as groceries, eating out, gas, entertainment, or shopping. Finally, add any savings goals you have, like an emergency fund, travel fund, or debt repayment target. Keep everything in plain language and rough amounts if that's all you have. The clearer your numbers, the better your budget will be. Now that your information is in, you're going to give ChatGPT a second instruction so it formats everything properly. Type. Turn this into a clear monthly budget with totals, percentages, and recommendations. This is where the magic happens. You're asking it not just to organize the numbers, but to break them down into totals and show what percentage of your income each part takes up, along with tailored advice. ChatGPT will then instantly generate a full breakdown for you. You'll see your total expenses, so you know how much you're actually spending each month. You'll see your remaining balance, which is how much is left after all your bills and spending. You'll also get the percentage of your income that goes to different categories, which makes it easy to see if you're overspending in certain areas. On top of that, it will usually suggest a recommended savings plan and point out ways you can cut costs based on the numbers you provided. If you want to go deeper and really improve your finances, add one more prompt. Type, give me 5 ways to improve this budget and reduce my spending. ChatGPT will respond with personalized money-saving suggestions that fit the budget it just created, so you get practical ideas you can act on right away. And that's it. Your whole monthly budget in 30 seconds. Use this every month to stay on track and keep your money working for you.